Hi friends! Today we're gonna go on a nature walk and we're gonna collect some things for a collage that we're gonna do later. Okay? I have the baby ready, the kids are ready, kind of. And we have, Ari, do you want to show us the nature hunt search? We have a scavenger hunt that we're gonna do today. Okay, and we have a bag here so we can collect our things. Here you go, Ari. Okay. Got some water so we can stay hydrated.
Yeah.
The pacifier for the baby.
Yeah.
And our tree pencil.
Check.
Alright, let's do this.
Yay.
Let's go explore nature, friends. Let's go.
Yeah, boy. I was still. Can I push with you?
Okay. Oh, look, guys. I already see something.
What?
I see leaves.
And check. Check, Mommy.
You gonna take it off?
Mommy. And thank you.
Okay. Oh, put it in the bag. That's a good one.
I see something already.
Let's pick up a couple more. Look at this funny looking one.
That's mine.
Yes.
Guess what I see?
What do you see?
Grass.
Grass. Is that on our list?
Wait. Oh my God. Check.
Great. Let's mark it off. Oh, Yelly finds something else. A crunchy leaf. I like those. Let's put it in the bag.
How about I crunch it?
You can crunch it. He found a tree. I sure think so. Well, we found one. That's great. Do you want to pick up some leaves for your collage?
I don't have a collection yet.
Well, no, not yet. Here, look.
Mommy,
This is a green leaf.
can I see? Look, Mommy.
Oh, that's a good one.
Grass. Thank you.
Oh, look what I see over there.
What?
Hang on. Here we go. This is exciting.
See a new leaf.
I see flowers. I see tiny little flowers.
No, wait.
Do you want to pick a couple of them? We can put them in our
No,
bag.
these are for bees.
Good job, Ari.
Check. Those are for bumblebees.
They're for bumblebees?
Flowers.
Good work.
Okay, we just need bee. What does bee mean? I got a bee.
Oh, nice.
I like the golden thing.
The glowing thing? Those are called dandelions.
I almost lost this. They're like, ooh, it blows super fast.
The wind is blowing. Ari, is the wind on our list?
I don't think so.
It starts with a W.
W?
Yes.
Right here? Mommy, I see something. Right here, Mommy?
That's the M. The one on top of it says wind.
Where? Right here?
Yep.
Check.
Check.
Where's the bird?
You see something over there?
Mom, the bird.
Let's see.
The bird, Mommy.
He's okay.
I see a bird.
He found a bird in the tree somewhere. Good job, Ari. Yeah. I don't know if that's part of nature, but look, there's a bee. No, that's not part of nature. Somebody's headband fell off. Maybe when they were going on a nature walk, huh, guys?
And then their thing fell.
Yeah. Hey, did you see that bumblebee that was flying around?
No, I cannot see it, Mommy.
Check it off the list.
Why?
Mommy found a bee. Yeah, we can put it in the bag.
Or on our bucket list.
Oh, look. I found a stick.
Okay, is that
I'm going to put that in the bag, too.
okay? Is that on the bucket list? I see a
The sticks?
one.
Hmm.
Look, grass. There's two toes. Water.
No.
Mommy, come in the light. Okay, what does this say?
That says raindrop. It hasn't been raining lately, so we might not see that one. Okay, let's keep walking.
I think keep on go. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, do you wanna do it? No, go in the light. Why do you wanna do it? Like go in the light.
Okay. Whoa, you're you're right. It is two tones. It's two colors.
No, I can't wear this anymore.
Okay, you can put it in the stroller.
Where should I put it?
Okay.
I can play my video.
Is the baby checking off some things?
Yep.
He's got it. Oh. Not like that, right, bud? Okay.
Okay. Yes, that's the.
Okay, let's keep walking.
Okay.
It's so windy out here, guys.
I can't let go of them.
Oh, I see more flowers right here. Oh, Yelly, look at this leaf.
What?
That's a cool looking one.
Ooh, this one.
Here, let's put it in the bag.
This is a cool
We'll put that on our
bucket.
collage later. Yeah.
Whatever.
I dropped your glasses, sweetie. Can you grab them? Thank you.
Jelly.
Oh, look. I see a little birdie. Do you see the little bird walking?
Yeah, I'm going to pet.
You're going to pet the bird. Good luck.
Get.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Where's the
Let's
bird?
not scare it.
Bird, check. I already got the bird. So it's on the bucket list. Look.
Cool. Okay, so far, we haven't even made it down the block, guys. And so far, we have a lot of things on our list. Let me show you. We found a flower, grass, a bird. We felt the wind. We saw a bee. There's still some more things to go. We saw trees and clouds, but we haven't marked those off yet.
I just wanted to share because I was going to fight.
Oh, the bird?
Yeah, I scared it.
Yeah. Oh, look, Yelly. Look at this tiny little leaf. There's a couple more. Let's pick those up so we can put those in our things. Oh, look.
Can I get that thing?
Get the pencil back from here, please. Oh.
Can I get that?
It's a green caterpillar.
Can I get it?
No. Oh, look, there's an ant.
Oh! It likes to eat
The
me.
wind is blowing the ant around. It's crazy. Wow, look at the little caterpillar. Where's it going?
I'm going to catch it.
No, sweetheart, let's let it be. It's trying to get home.
No, that's the ant's home.
Well, the caterpillar is trying to make it to his home.
But that's the ant's home. And he almost went down there. And we had to catch him.
He's trying to get up this tree.
He's trying to get in something so he can turn to a butterfly.
I think so.
Otherwise he can get out of the whoa. Mike, can I touch him? Mike, can I touch him?
Where is he? Oh, there he is.
Can I touch him?
I don't think so, honey. Let's not scare him, okay? Where's he at?
Mike,
He moves.
he moves kind of weird and he's kind of funny.
He's moving kind of funny, huh? Oh, careful, honey. He's struggling really hard to get up this tree. I think he's kind of scared of us. Let's let him do his thing. Bye, Mr. Caterpillar.
Bye.
See you later.
I miss you. Okay. Okay. Wait, no, I'm here for the tree.
You saw more? Oh, that's a good one. Here.
I can put it in there.
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of wind. Feels kind of nice. It's a little hot. You see another cool? Oh, you know what, Yelly? We were looking at the caterpillar. We forgot to grab our little leaves.
I haven't seen the caterpillar. The caterpillar's gone.
It's still on the tree. Just don't touch him, okay, guys? Did he fall?
Oh, he's still going, folks.
Oh, no.
He's still going.
Yeah, it's hard work. He's a little guy. It's a big tree.
I touch him.
Okay, tell him bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Mr. Caterpillar. We'll come back when you're a butterfly.
Oh, he's so strong.
Oh, guys, come on.
I want to touch him.
I know you do, sweetie. Uh-oh. You got it. You're so fast. Okay. Oh, are you trying to get it in there? There we go. We got quite a bit of stuff in our nature bag already. That'll make a really cool looking collage later. Yes, come on, sweetie.
It's trying to eat something. It is trying to get something food.
It's trying to get some food?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, if it's trying to.
And I wish we can grab it to put it in our box.
Look what I found, guys.
What? What happened?
Some kind of like red or brown leaves right here.
Can I crunch them?
Yeah. Oh, look, here's a big old crunchy leaf. Maybe we can use that for our collage.
No,
Or you could crunch it.
It doesn't make the sound.
Okay. I already found dirt. Is that on our list?
I don't think so.
It's a crunchy leaf.
I put that down. I just put that down. Mommy, I want to put that down.
Another leaf?
Mom, here's another thing.
Okay, let's go around these trees and then we can go home, okay?
No.
Yeah. put it down. You found different leaves?
Yeah.
We got a whole lot of leaves for our collage. It's going to be so cool.
Mine.
Good job. Yes, sir.
I really miss the really old house. Remember that old house where
Look at these
when I was
leaves.
born?
Oh.
I remember I was.
Look at these leaves. We're going to throw those in the bag.
Mom, here's another one.
You found more? Oh, good one.
Oh, it's
Is he kind of upset now? Oh, he's ready for a drink.
Mommy, there's a lot.
Yeah. Maybe we should get a drink. It's kind of hot out here.
Okay.
Stay hydrated.
Okay.
Yes. Whoa. What are these? What were you just stepping on? Look. These are the roots of the tree.
I see something right there.
Yeah. These are the roots of the tree. They go all the way
Oh
up
my
to the
gosh.
tree.
Oops, I better go.
Okay, friends. Well, we found quite a few things on our nature walk. I can't wait to hear about what you find on yours.